Hello my friends. Yesterday I recorded a video regarding RU. As at that time I have already checked the number of RU that I have, and now in my back office it is showing, as at when I checked, 1566 RU, which is reward units. And if you multiply that by $9.99, that is coming up to $15,644. That is what I presumed that I have earned in CuBig. Now, when are they going to pay this money? I have no idea when they are going to pay this money. Okay, the only money that I have withdrawn from my account is $8 so far. Okay, that is the only money I have withdrawn, and they paid that $8 in 3 days. They took away $2 for withdrawal fee. It's a flat $2, so I received $6, and I recorded a video showing you that I made that withdrawal. In addition to that, I made another withdrawal, another $8, and I'm going to receive another $6. Okay, because one RU, as I said, is equivalent to $9.99. So let me go to my back office and quickly show you what I have in my back office. Okay, so if you go to my back office, go to finance, and then under finance, let me first show you how much I have withdrawn. Okay, so this is the latest withdrawal I have done, $8. Okay, it's going to take 3 days for them to process this $8. Okay, and then this is the first one that I made a withdrawal of. Okay, $8. They will take away $2 for withdrawal charges, and then I will receive $6. Okay, so far this is the amount of money I have received. And then right here you will see USDT, you will see CV. Okay, these are the rewards that they are giving us. And then there is RU. Now the RU is the one that I have already told you about. Okay, RU is a reward unit. That is what you get paid for completing your tasks on a daily basis and watching those videos. Now, coming back to the number of RU that I have on my financial overview, you will notice that I have 1566 RU. Now, if you multiply $9.99 by this 1566 RU, that will give you this $15,644. How sweet is that? So CuBig is making it a bit more interesting just now, but until I have been able to withdraw this 15,000, then I will just let you guys know. Okay, but for now, if you wish to continue to complete your tax, it's entirely up to you. If you don't want to complete your tax, if you want to wait until you have made your first withdrawal, that is also fine. Okay, CuBig is free. Nobody is forcing you to do anything. It is free. It's either you join for free or you don't join for free. And when you join for free, it's either you complete your daily tasks, which is 36 tasks per day, okay, across 2 websites that they have provided, or you don't complete them. It's entirely up to you guys. Okay, we are not asking you to deposit any money in this platform. Okay, the deposit that they are asking for is voluntary. If you want to earn more money, you will now purchase a paid package. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this one, if you go to purchases, when you join, you start with this free package. No money is asked from CuBig, from you. Nobody is asking you to deposit anything. Once you register today and complete your tax, you will earn your RU. Your RU is your reward unit, and then your reward unit will eventually convert to dollars. Now, if you say, okay, I don't want to stay on the free member package, if you want to purchase either of these 3 packages, okay, you will earn more money. That is it. Simple and short. Okay, nobody is forcing you to purchase either of these packages, just so you know. But when you do purchase, you will earn more money, okay, than somebody that is in the free package. But the free package also earns money when you complete all the tasks. That is it. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless.